Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Dream Bright Fragrance Mist. This product is 8 fluid ounces, liquid spray bottle that you spray on. It has a flowery type of scent to it, which is pretty nice. When you spray it on right, it pretty much lasts all day. I can smell it on my wife pretty much when she puts it on in the morning. I can still smell it in the evening time, so it lasts, and I think it's a pretty good product, and I would highly recommend it. And I hope this review helps.